Welcome to today's market cycle outlook series of 5-minute videos. Let's look at the NASDAQ. This is the daily time frame and the original phasing, which slowly but surely indicated that it wasn't best. We've got to this situation after realizing that cyclically it really wasn't making good forecast calls. And so we set up an alternative phasing. It might be instructive to look back across the last few NASDAQ videos and see the development. Now, let's bring in some data, and this will, I'm sure, confirm, and this has confirmed that we do have a 20-week low, which is what this phasing was pointed to. It's just that its forecast was back here March 21, and the low has actually occurred on the 30th, and clearly we have bounced. So this phasing will be retired. Let's look at the alternative phasing. Clearly much better. So this will become our ongoing phasing. We have a fresh start. One of the beautiful things about cycles is that when you have confidence in a cyclic low, it's a new starting point. So we have that as the 20-week low. Now just quickly, let's look at the weekly, and let's just update that, bring in some data. Now this cycle is going to be interesting to track because we have bounced out of this low and a couple of questions that we have to try and answer. How high will the bounce be? Will it actually get back up to the old all-time high? And will this 20-week cycle that we're now in be left translated or right translated? Now, a left translated cycle indicates bearishness. Also, this 20-week cycle is the fourth and final 20-week cycle in the 18-month cycle. And you can see on here that we have the 18-month low zone defined. So if there's hesitation after this initial bounce and it starts to roll over and doesn't continue to make new highs after the halftime, and half of 20 weeks is 10 weeks, if it doesn't continue to make new highs, then it's left translated, and left translated suggests that it will be a bearish cycle. The definition of a bearish cycle is the ending low is lower than the starting low. And we have the starting low here at the low value of this weekly bar. So let's see. Thanks for watching.